Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. As many of you know, your CAT 2024 admit cards are now officially available. Take a moment to grab your admit card by logging in with your credentials. Now let's go through the steps to download the admit card. First, go to the official CAT website, which is imcat.ac.in. Then click on Registered Candidate Login. Now enter your credentials, that is your user ID and password, and enter the CAPTCHA given below. Then click on Login. Now you will be redirected to the application form page. Next to it, you will find an option for the admit card. Click on the admit card link and you will see your admit card ready to download. Download it and don't forget to print it out. After downloading, open your admit card to cross-check all the details like your name, application number, date of birth, category, emergency contact number, and also review your test day details such as date and day of the test timings and the slot you belong to, reporting time, gate closing time, and test center location. Be sure to follow all instructions carefully. On the exam day, remember to bring your admit card along with a valid photo ID. Double check the date, time, and location in advance to avoid any last minute surprises. So download your admit cards now and comment below with the slot you belong to. We will be sharing relevant tips for each slot to help you prepare better for the exam. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below for more updates. Thank you.